Hi there, my name is Dean J, and I would like to give you a few insights into the Kpanlogo dance of the people of Accra in Ghana. If you ask any Ghanaian at all, or anybody from Accra, all they'll say is I can dance Kpanlogo really very well. Yes, it's so easy. I've danced Kpanlogo all throughout my life. Yes, Kpanlogo is for me just like a hop on the bus to Kingston and then back again. Yes, but Mr. Theophilus Nortey, also known as Mensah Tuakah, thinks otherwise. Mensah Tuakah believes for very good Kpanlogo moves, you need the basic rhythm, the basic steps, yes, and that is his job when he goes around teaching Kpanlogo to beginners around so many places. And this is a few steps he taught the pupils of Gymnasium Lehrte-Ost near Hanover in Germany. Yes, so let's have a look at this. Woo!